House hacking is a powerful lifestyle finance strategy that allows individuals to dramatically reduce their housing costs while simultaneously building wealth through real estate. This approach combines smart living arrangements with investment principles, making homeownership more affordable and financially rewarding. Throughout this presentation, you'll discover practical strategies that can help transform your biggest monthly expense into a wealth-building opportunity. House hacking is a real estate investment strategy where you live in a property while simultaneously generating income from it to offset or eliminate your housing costs. The basic concept is simple: purchase a home, live in part of it, and rent out other portions to tenants. The rental income you receive helps cover your mortgage payment, property taxes, insurance, and other expenses. In many cases, people can live completely free or even generate positive cash flow, meaning they actually make money while building equity in their home. There are 4 main approaches to house hacking. First, rent by room involves renting out spare bedrooms in your single-family home to individual tenants. Second, multifamily living means purchasing a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, where you live in one unit and rent out the others. Third, accessory dwelling unit rental involves renting out a separate structure like a garage apartment, basement suite, or backyard cottage. Fourth, short-term rentals allow you to list spare rooms or units on platforms like Airbnb for higher nightly rates. Each strategy has different levels of involvement, privacy considerations, and income potential. Let's look at a real-world example using a duplex house hack scenario. Imagine your total monthly mortgage payment is $2,400. You rent out the other unit for $1,800 per month. Your property taxes and insurance add another $400 monthly. When you subtract the rental income from your total housing costs, your effective housing cost drops to just $1,000 per month. Compare this to renting an apartment for $2,000 or more, and you can see the significant savings. Plus, you're building equity in an asset that appreciates over time. House hacking offers 5 major benefits. First, it dramatically reduces or eliminates your monthly housing expenses, freeing up money for savings and investments. Second, you build equity in real estate as your tenants essentially pay down your mortgage for you. Third, you generate passive income that improves your overall cash flow and financial flexibility. Fourth, you gain valuable hands-on experience in property management and being a landlord, skills that prove invaluable for future real estate investments. Fifth, you qualify for better financing options because owner-occupied loans typically offer lower interest rates and require smaller down payments compared to pure investment properties. Starting your house hacking journey involves 5 key steps. First, research your local rental market to understand what tenants pay and what properties cost in your area. Second, get pre-approved for an owner-occupied mortgage to know your budget and demonstrate you're a serious buyer. Third, find properties that have clear rental income potential, such as homes with extra bedrooms or multifamily buildings. Fourth, carefully calculate the expected cash flow by estimating rental income and subtracting all expenses to ensure the numbers make financial sense. Fifth, screen potential tenants thoroughly by checking references, credit history, and employment, and always set clear lease terms to protect yourself legally. House hacking isn't without its challenges. Loss of privacy is a significant consideration, as sharing your living space or property with tenants means establishing clear boundaries and potentially hearing noise or dealing with others in your personal space. Landlord responsibilities include handling maintenance requests, making repairs, and addressing tenant concerns at all hours. Legal compliance requires understanding and following local zoning laws, rental regulations, safety codes, and fair housing requirements. Time commitment is another factor, as property management requires ongoing attention for tasks like collecting rent, coordinating repairs, and managing tenant relationships. Being aware of these challenges helps you prepare mentally and practically. 4 expert tips can significantly increase your house hacking success. Start small by renting just one room before committing to larger multifamily properties, allowing you to learn the basics with lower risk. Document everything by using written lease agreements, tracking all expenses for tax purposes, and maintaining detailed records of communications and transactions. Screen tenants thoroughly by always checking references, verifying employment, reviewing credit reports, and trusting your instincts about compatibility. Build an emergency fund specifically for your rental property to cover unexpected expenses like vacancies when units sit empty, major repairs, or appliance replacements. These practices protect your investment and reduce stress. Let's compare the monthly costs side by side. With traditional living, you pay the full mortgage of $2,400, plus $400 for insurance and taxes, plus $200 for maintenance, with zero rental income. Your total monthly cost is $3,000. With house hacking using the same property, you still pay $2,400 mortgage, $400 for insurance and taxes, and $200 for maintenance. But now you receive $1,800 in rental income. Subtract that income, and your total cost drops to just $1,200 monthly. That's a savings of $1,800 every single month, or $21,600 annually. House hacking is one of the most powerful strategies available to reduce living expenses while building long-term wealth through real estate. It allows everyday people to enter the real estate market, gain valuable experience, and achieve financial freedom faster than traditional homeownership. The key is taking that first step. Begin by researching your local market to understand prices and rental rates. Explore financing options and talk to lenders about owner-occupied loans. Calculate potential returns on properties in your area. With proper planning, tenant screening, and financial management, house hacking can transform your largest monthly expense into your greatest wealth-building tool. Start your journey today and take control of your financial future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.